Now, starting with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, Samsung has been attempting to achieve a super square, slim design shape for their Ultra phones, which of course they had achieved with the latest flagship phone, which is the Galaxy S24 Ultra. A recent leak by Ice Universe on Twitter hinted that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a very rounded design, and you'd ask how rounded, and I'll say that it's as rounded as the Galaxy Note 7 was. This is a huge deal for you Samsung lovers because we all know how uncomfortable it is to hold the Galaxy S22, 23 and 24 Ultra for a long period of time. We may not know exactly how the final design will look, but thanks to this concept image created by Bennett Bonnard, which was shared on Twitter, we can envision how the Galaxy S25 Ultra will look like with the Note 7's rounded corners. And if you're still here, give me a subscribe because that would make my day. We don't know yet whether Samsung is going to give us a new camera design, but for now we have to assume that they continue with the Galaxy S24 Ultra camera design, but with a more comfy grip. And again, according to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a body thickness of 8.4mm, making it the thinnest Samsung Ultra model we have seen since the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which had an overall thickness of 8.1mm. However, it did have a larger camera bump than most other models. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.